This is a big house in Redondo Beach. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, almost 2,700 square feet. Come on in. I would put my big screen TV and my couch here. The thing about a big house, you've got extra space for a lot of things. This has a living room and a family room. Come on. Open kitchen. It's got a brand new fridge. It's got a fireplace down here, and it's got French double doors that go to a backyard that's got turf. No maintenance. Redondo Beach living. This is perfect. You can kick a soccer ball. You got a pets, no problem. This is awesome. We got 3 pretty big bedrooms, full bathroom, and then here's the primary. Look at this. High ceilings in a 4-bedroom house. This is awesome. You got your fireplace, you got your TV screen ready for you, and you know what? You got a walk-in closet, and you got a good-sized bathroom. You got a separate shower, jacuzzi tub, his and her sinks, and a water closet. It's got everything, 2517 Graham. I'm Boyd the Broker.